Is CoinApp potentially an easy way to make really big money, or is it a scam to stay away from? My name is Michael and I have joined to test this app here, and in this CoinApp review and tutorial I will give you an inside look, show both the pros and the cons, because let me just reveal right away, it definitely has both. And then you will know exactly what to expect and if it is the right option for you or not. And if you decide it is the right option for you, I will also show you how you can potentially get 1,000 coin joining bonus just for signing up. So before I log into the app and show you around, let's just start by going over who can join. And as you can see on the side here, it says that you can download it through the App Store and through Google Play. So that means you can use it both for iOS devices and for Android devices. And it is an app that you can join for free. It also has some paid options. I will go over the differences and the advantages and disadvantages of the different membership levels later. But for now, you just need to know that you can sign up for free. You need to have a phone or a tablet. It is an app. Mainly it's worth it if it's a phone because of the way you earn here. I will explain more when I log in there. And you can use it from more or less all countries. There are some things when it comes to the rewards that might not make it ideal in all countries, but again, I will also show all that once we log in. For now, I just want to make it clear that you can join from more or less all countries. You download both for iOS and Android devices. So let me now just log in and then show you around, show exactly how you can earn and all the pros and cons. So I have now logged into CoinApp and pulled it up on the screen here so you can see me showing around in here, see how it works. And it's quite simple, but it also has a lot of different options. So I'll just go over the main ones, but new ones are introduced constantly, and when you use it more options will unlock. So I can't go through everything. This is something you will also explore. But the main thing is here, when you first join, it has this like kind of a mining option here. You can claim free coins in here. Later I'll go over what you can use the coins for. Usually it's not zoomed in this much here on this blue square, because these blue squares are different areas in your local area here. And when you move around there, you can click this button here. You can see, if I just show it down here, this big button there, you can click that here, and you can see then I get some coins there. So this is something you can do here. And as you move around, new areas will unlock, or you can just wait here. After a few minutes, you can do it again. Or you can also, when you've used it a little bit of time, you can use this background reward here, and then it will load, and you can then claim this here just by having it in your background. If you don't want to click that button the whole time, you can also just choose to click the blue squares here, and then you can play these mini games here to make it available to claim coins right away. It's fairly easy here. So if I just claim here, you can see I just need to do these games here, like move it around. I'll just try to show you here how it's done there. You can see the other way here, like that. And then it's again, you can see now it changed colors, and now I could actually potentially claim coins again. But that takes quite a long time to build up coins like this. This is just one aspect of it. Also, one of the reasons I'm actually haven't used it so much or not earned so much yet is that I sit a lot at home. I have an office at home, so I do not move a lot. But as you build it up, you will start having it to just claim automatically as you move around. So that's one way to earn more, and that's why if you are mainly at home, you will not be able to earn as much as if you move around. But as you can see, you can sit there, you can click it, you can let it run in the background. That's one of the main ways to earn here. But they also have another device you can use in addition to this to earn quite a bit more. We will go over that later. But for now, let's just go over a little bit about the navigation here and the other earning opportunities you could potentially find here and how to find these. So inside here, you can see there's a little menu here. There's some menus over here. These are areas you need to keep an eye on. Sometimes there will be new pop-ups available with different bonus rewards the more you use it. Again, I can't go over all this because you will just see it here if you just use it regularly. Some of the places here where you definitely should keep an eye, if you look at this one here, for example, that's an easy one also. This is called huddle reward. So that means that you earn if you have here. Once a day, you can just go here and claim free coins, because that's kind of like interest, you can say, for having coins standing here. So I can just collect, and you can see then I got that there, right? That's how easy it is here. So that one is good to remember as well. They also have this other option here where once a week you get this bonus drop where you get quite a lot more. Later, I will go over how much you in general can earn because that will depend on your membership level. But this is also one that's easy to earn or an easy way to do it. So you need to keep an eye on that. You will get a notification in here or see like a box here on the screen that you can click and then you claim the coins once that's available. Also, you have this one here. That's a small menu here where you click. There's different geomining modes, as you can see. These are some that can be worth also checking out, like physical exercise, so you can count your steps and get paid as you move around, some mental exercises, all these different options here. And then in the top corner up here, you can see a plus. That's also one you should definitely check out here as a way to earn. You can see there's all kind of extra activities here. These real world tasks, for example, for rewards here. This is something that will unlock the more you use it. So right when you join, not all of these options be available here, but you can see, for example, you can take surveys. Once you qualify for that, do different product scans, store visits. Here, rewarded play, that means that you can earn by playing small games. I can get access to that now, and all these different things here you can see. And these are these just extra activities. Again, when you get access to them, just simply depends on how much you use the app. They have these bonus drops here, huddle rewards, they are already mentioned here. They are in the menu there. And then they have the background rewards. That's also what I talked about. These extension devices, that's something I will talk about a little bit later. But all this here is something that's great to keep an eye on, especially this extra activities here, because that's a little bit hidden. The other ones are a little bit easier to find here. And then also there is a way here, you can see this referral rewards here. I'll talk about that next because that's also how you potentially can get a great joining bonus if you decide to use CoinApp. So you can also earn by inviting other people, but this is also very important to know, even if you end up not inviting other people, because this is also how you can potentially get 1,000 coin joining bonus by joining through an invitation link. So that means that if you're not yet a member and you join through my invitation link, I will leave it below here, then I will earn a small commission. When you earn here, you will earn the same. It will not affect your earnings, but at the same time, you will get 1,000 coin joining bonus into your account right away if you join through that link. You will not get that joining bonus if you do not join through an invitation link. So if you decide to join, then it's definitely important to make sure to find an invitation link. It will not affect your earning opportunities at all. It will just give you 1,000 coins into your account here right away. So that's definitely something you need to be aware of. As mentioned, I will leave a link below here, so you're welcome to use my link to support me also, and then you will get the bonus also if you decide to join. But first I will also show a little bit more about what you can expect, and of course also the payout methods and if it's even worth your time. So let's talk a little bit about the payout methods while we are still inside the app, because then I will jump outside again here and talk a little bit about the different membership levels, how much you can potentially earn overall, if it's even worth it, and all these things that you really need to consider to understand the full potential of it and the full limitations of it. But once you're inside here, you can see at the top, you can see the current coins you have in your account here, and if you just click that, then you will also see how to redeem, and they have quite a lot of different payout options here, some really cool products. You can see watches, Apple iPads here, all kind of things here. And then at the top they have these here, XYO here. This is a cryptocurrency, and then Bitcoin here and Ethereum here, or Ether. And this XYO here is what it is known for giving as rewards. It also gives other rewards, but this is the lowest payout threshold. You can see you only need to earn 10,000 coins to be able to redeem here. However, exactly how much that will be worth, I cannot say, because the rate, it is a cryptocurrency. I'll go over later what it currently is worth, but that does change. It's the same if you look at Bitcoin. You can see how many coins you need to get paid 0.025 Bitcoin here, but as you might know, the rate of Bitcoin goes up and down, so how much that would be worth also I cannot give an exact answer for. But no doubt that this XYO is the fastest way to get paid, because you only need 10,000 coins. Just be aware that this is only the first time you cash out. After that, you need 50,000 coins to be able to cash out. Still the option with the lowest payout threshold by far. So this is mainly interesting if you're interested in using or earning these cryptocurrencies here, which can of course be exchanged to cash or other cryptocurrencies. It will take some patience to earn some of these products here. You also can, if you want to get, for example, an iPad or some of the other great products here, it's definitely an option here. But now you know a little bit about the payout methods also, so let me just close down the app here and then we'll talk a little bit more about the full earning potential of it and the membership levels. But before doing that, I would appreciate if you could just take 1 second to like this video here, because it can help it to be seen by more people, and I would definitely appreciate that. Let's now talk a little bit about the earning potential, because this will also let you know if you think it is worth it. They have on CoinApp a lot of different case studies, and I think that's a great way to also show you what the potential is. But I will also talk about my own experiences and what you need to consider before you find out it, because these are of course really great cases, the people that earned a lot here. They have this report you can download on the website there, where it shows more about some of the people here and their earning results here, and you can see how much they gained. And one of the reasons here is that they got paid in this XYO cryptocurrency here. You can see here they redeemed here, and that's the great thing here, is that it's a cryptocurrency. So if you're patient enough and if it's a cryptocurrency that is solid, then it will likely increase over time. And you can see some people have earned really good money because it has increased insanely since they started using it here. And they have all these case studies here with 500 people and how much they've actually earned, and it's quite a lot of money. And one of the cases, for example, shows you here that one user actually built a portfolio valued at more than $70,000 here by using the Coin app here. Of course, this is not the usual case. This is not something you should just expect to be able to join and then earn this much here. This is an exceptional case. He has used it a lot. He's used all the options here, not only the ones I have just shown, also some that I will show next here, how you can boost it further here. For example, this SentinelX that I will talk about next here. And then of course also been patient enough to get the payout option of this XYO and wait for it to increase in value, and then it has ended up being a really good way to earn for this particular person. And they have other case studies like that. Personally, I have not earned nearly as much, not at all. I have just recently started using it. I'm not using it a lot because I'm not moving around a lot, which is one of the ways you can really earn here. And I do think it takes some patience to earn, but it's more to show the potential of this here. And if we look at the coin, you can also see this XYO here on CoinMarketCap, that it was quite low for quite a long time, and then it has kind of increased here in value. So the people that earned here has really benefited a lot from this increase here. And I cannot say if it will suddenly be worth 3 times, 4 times, 10 times, 100 times as much in a year. Then it turns out to be really good use of time and potentially money here if you decide to invest into the upgraded options that Coin app also has. But I cannot guarantee that. It is a cryptocurrency, it is a volatile market, so it can also, of course, there is a risk it can go down, but that's where you should do some research about this coin itself, if that is your chosen payout method, and if you believe in the long-term potential of it. And if you do, then this is definitely where the big earning potential is. And as you can see here, and also in the different case studies here, some people really got some really great results here. But that does not mean that you will just earn this much that easily. That will really require you to take advantage of all the options here, and also put in quite a lot of time to explore all the different options, and also time it correctly with when you potentially exchange the cryptocurrencies you earn here. And I have mentioned a few times now that to be able to benefit the most, then you need, for example, to use this SentinelX. So let's talk about that before going over the different membership options. So if you've heard of Coin app before, you will probably also have heard of this SentinelX here, because this is an extra thing that you can order. They have a couple of different options like this here to boost your earnings. And it is, as you can see here right now, as of recording this video here, I cannot promise that it will keep being like that, but they offer one of these for free if you pay the shipping. Usually they do charge a fee for some of these here, and this is that helps you to verify your location. Because because this XYO's goal here is that they want to reduce the world's reliance on centralized technologies, as you can see, and then they need to build out this network of different devices all over the world, and that's where you come into play, because they then will give you this Geomining extension device, and you can then connect that to the app, and then you will start earning real money while you help power this XYO network, as you can see here. And right now, as mentioned, you can get this for free also. Once you've signed up, I'll leave the sign up links below here, then you can go to the website here and claim it for free right now if you just cover it. I cannot promise how long it will be available, but you can just click here, cover the cost there of the shipping, and then that can really help you boost your earnings for doing this here. And they have a lot more information about exactly how this SentinelX here will work and how much you potentially can earn. And you can also see they have a case study here. One user here earned here more than 1 million coins here in the first month. Of course, again, this is an exceptional case. You should not expect that. That depends where you live, how much you move around, and all these things here. But if you drive a lot, for example, this can also be a great way to really boost your earnings instead of just relying on the app itself here. But to get the most out of all this, you also need to consider the different membership levels. So let's go over that next. CoinApp has different membership levels. You can sign up completely for free, as I mentioned earlier, and then you can also get this joining bonus here. You can do that whether you sign up for free or whether you pay or anything like that. And you can keep being a free member, you can keep earning, but it will just take more patience. You can see the different ways you can earn here, where you just do not earn so much by clicking that button there. You will not earn so much, you will not get these different geomines, rewards, and all these bonus drops. You can see there's not as many here, or there's not any of them here. And then if you get to the pro level here, you can see you will earn a lot faster. You will also have more of these reward boosts here, geoclaim shields, geoclaim bonuses, and then you will earn also here. They have a plus membership that's kind of in between here. So the pro membership is where you can earn the most, but this is also where you of course will then have to pay more, and this is a monthly fee that you have to pay. This is something to consider, and I would say if you just join, I would suggest you just join the basic membership and test it. How much can you earn by the way you move around? Maybe get the SentinelX if you feel comfortable about something like that, and test that here. Claim as much you can, use the different options, explore it, because there are a lot of little extra things that pop up all the time there. And then you can potentially consider trying it out for 1 month here, but it's not for all, because it really depends on how you move and how much time you have to put into it and all there. But as you could see from the case studies, for some people it was definitely worth investing in the pro there, because you earn a lot more that way. But it really depends. For me personally, with my patterns of how I use it right now and how I move around, it would not really be beneficial, because I would probably not be able to make it back in a month. Some people make it back times 10, 20, etc., as you could see here. But that all depends on how you decide to use it. So this is just something to be aware of. And if you find out you want to give it a go, then it's quite easy to just upgrade there. Just be aware it is a monthly price. So then keep an eye on how much you earn and how you can optimize your earnings, so you make sure that you make it profitable, and also take into consideration the potential long-term effect of the value of XYO, if that is your chosen reward method here. So to sum it all up, I think CoinApp is interesting, but it really depends on how much you use your phone, how much you move around particularly, and how much time you're willing to spend to get to know this app here. Because if you are willing to spend some time here, if you, for example, also willing to use this SentinelX here, and you move quite a lot, you have some time to get to know all these small little extra ways to earn here, then potentially it can be quite lucrative if you are interested in cryptocurrencies and if you believe in this XYO cryptocurrency here, because that's where the real value is. So I would say for some it is worth it, for some it is not. That really does depend on your expectations, and especially it is mainly interesting if you are also into cryptocurrencies, or you want to get into it and start earning some of these here. Which membership level you should choose, that is of course up to you. I would suggest you start with the free, test it out, see how you like it. then you can consider one of the paid options if you can see that it potentially is an app that you really want to use here. And if you decide to use it, remember that I have my invitation link below here that will give you 1,000 coin joining bonus into your account right away. But no matter what, I hope this video here helped you and helped you figure out if Coin App is the right option for you or not. If you already have used it and have some experiences with it, I would also love to hear about your experiences and your results in a comment below here. And if you have any questions, just ask. I will personally reply to all questions there. And if this video helped you, then also I would appreciate if you could like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.